Greetings. I am at a very lovely silent beach in Kerala, and this is in Kanyangat, close to Bhagwan's temple. I don't know if you're hearing the waves of the sea. Come here to meditate. If you like to meditate on the sound of the sea, you are most welcome. I am at the beach of Kerala in Kanyangat. I usually spend my Christmas in Ganeshpuri or Kanyangat in the past 5-6 years. So I came to Kanyangat to spend some time. Thank you, Neetu ji. I'm glad if this is helping you. It's like I'm touring with you guys, and you guys are with me. I'm not alone. Of course, I'm not alone, but still, my friends are with me. So I just came here. This is very close to Padiyar Swami's house. Last time I had made some live videos. This time I did not make because I was busy only in meditation, so I did not use the Facebook. But I was right now at the Padiyar Swami's place along with Ganapati ji. Take a stroll on the beach, and we came here. It's a very ideal place to meditate. You can see the beach is empty. Very rare to find such a serene spot. This is the Jalatattva, the water element. If you like to meditate on the water element, it's better. Usually if you enter half the water and meditate on it, that's better. But because we are going back to Nityananda temple now, so we thought just 5 minutes we'll spend here. I took a video of this place, and then I thought, why not do a live in case you want to see this beauty of nature. It's just 1 kilometer Padiyar Swami, where Padiyar Swami's Jiva Samadhi is there. Not Jiva Samadhi, just this Maha Samadhi. From there it's just a walk of 1 kilometer. So it's very close by. You come and have this peace. So I'll just leave this on for a while. If you want to meditate with me on this sacred waters where Bhagwan himself was there for a long time. Actually there's a Kali temple very close by near Padiyar Swami's house. That is the place where Bhagwan came and first sat on a rock. That's also just one kilometer from here. I don't know if you can hear my voice on this. So I'll just switch on this mode to the sea view, and you guys can meditate on the Jal Tattva. The sound of the sea is very conducive for meditation. Let the sea take over while I go silent. ಬಂತು. So hope you guys meditated. It was just 5 minutes, but a powerful one here. Those who did, I was also praying for you. Whoever is meditating together, may you all be blessed. Those who joined late, this is a beach in Kanjanghat, very close to Bhagwan's Samadhi temple here and the 43 caves. Very close to Padher Swami's Samadhi place, just 1 kilometer from his place. We just came here for a stroll. I do spend my Christmas here for the past 5-6 years. Ganpati ji is with me. So we just came and we thought we'll spend some time and meditate and go. Kodanda Pani ji, thank you very much for taking. Yeah, I am always glad to move along with the Guru Mandala and with you guys. Both are connected both ways. It's an honor to be with you guys. So I'll just show you the last few more moments of the seashore. Seashore is one of the best places to meditate, especially if you can find an isolated beach like this. Very isolated, very calm, no people around. You just connect with the water element and that's it. If you can do that, fine. Cleanses your Jal Tattva. Jala element. ಅದೇನದು ಮೀನಾ ಜಿಗಿತಾ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಾ? So see you guys. I'm going back to the cave place, back to Nityanand Swami's Samadhi temple. Stay blessed. From Ganapati ji too.